Do you want me to give you a bit of a sound?
Puppy's mischievous antics are just their adorable way of showing their love for you.
Scusa, Giacomo, aspetta un secondo. Un altro secondo. Hey Gina, can you scoot your chair back?
Sure. Baby. Hello, good morning.
Stuck like glue, there's no escaping that puppy love. This is what happens when a poodle realizes humans are useful tools. That grip says, we go together or not at all.
What are you doing?
No.
Puppies don't understand deadlines, only attention lines.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
The trust and confusion battle is real here. That look says, I knew something felt off. Hard to say no when the tail's doing all the talking. We're all just servants to the wag.
Mommy was mean to you today, huh? Your savior's home. Mama mean to you, little girl.
What to
right.
tell? What to tell?
All right, Dad's at home.
Oh my goodness.
When the bond is strong, even nonsense turns into top-tier entertainment.
¿Dónde está Dewey? Dewey, fuera de ahí. Esa no es tu familia.
¿Segura que quieres hojas de otoño como foto?
Sí.
¿No miraste El Molino Feliz?
That soft boop, pure affection. This is how dogs say, I love you without words. Just a puppy, a ball, and a sunny afternoon. Honestly, life doesn't get better than this.
No, we're not doing that yet. That's last step. Ready? Place. Yes! Crate. Yes! No, you gotta stay. Willow.
Yum 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 yum.
Daisy, sit! Daisy, sit! Sit! Daisy, sit! Sit! Sit!
When switching to Zoomy mode is the pup's way of escaping the water.
What are you doing?
Qué rico se ve eso. Que nunca me comía. Es muy hamburguento. Así que, ¡zaf! Se lo comí. Y mi papá se ríe tanto que no puede ni retarme.
Honestly, like, I love her, but she's kind of a problem. No, and I hope that she's okay, and I felt super bad, but I'm also like...
This fluffy dude saved up all the I missed you and rage dumped it in leaps.
Yeah, give us the zoomies. Oh my gosh.
I got.
When Doggo's love for retrieving finally finds its purpose.
Shake a phone. Yes.
$200 for the Sydney in Jersey.
Down. Roll over. Yes. Safety.
Whoa.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Ooh. Hi. Oh, wow, my fluffity. No, yeah. Ooh, hi.
That growl translates to try that again and see what happens.
Oh, so cute.
Oh my gosh.
Come here.
This one wants me.
Why do you want me?
That one.
Oh, hey, baby.
Scientists call this bonding. I call this you're not going anywhere ever again.
Go. Good job, Kylie. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Wow, look at her go. Woo! Great job.
They turned a workout into a cuddle session real quick.
tá saindo. Não tá saindo, ó. Au. Ela abre a boca e não sai. Au!
And maybe that's why we love them so much. Thanks for watching.